from me stuff. Bro, tell them on the yam, me tell them. It's like me lighter in the problem.
Jump, do the dirt bounce. Hey, dirt. Switch it up and there, you tip night.
I say, yo, shout out to Bianca Entertainment. I don't know what's active this, you know. You see me? Yeah, slash, you know, I don't have to say no more. You see me? But here we go on. You see, right part of your screen, you see like a red something there where you see. You see me? Don't go so boom and press it. You see me? Yeah, you name subscribe. And after you do that, make sure you like it too and view it. And make sure you share it. Oh. Alright, you know what say? Yeah, another time again now, you don't know, so we're there, so Miss Martin shopping. You see? You see a lady here? Yeah, she never know. No for soup there where you see we drink and get strong. She will buy the yam them from and the thing. You see me? So we say, oh, big up Miss Maureen. And when you watch the video, you just pass through, give her a support, and we support you. You see? So big up yourself again. Big up Miss Maureen. Thank you for this yam. Alright, so we're here.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. You know it's a great Tyra for all my new subscribers, and we're back again with another video. You know it's Vlogmas Day3, and today's video is about what to do when you're going to pick up your Google AdSense pin. Before picking up your Google AdSense pin, you need to get monetized, and to get monetized you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now 4,000 watch hours is equal to 240,000 regular minutes, right? So you have to have 240,000 regular minutes, which is 4,000 watch hours. Now when you get your 4,000 watch hours and your 1,000 subscribers, you now can be a part of the Google AdSense partner program. Okay, so there and then you're gonna get monetized. Now they will ask you to sign up your Google AdSense tax form. If you're a new channel and you're seeing this video, sign up to Google AdSense from now. That means when you get monetized, it won't be so much of an hassle because you're already signed to Google AdSense. That's a smart way. But for all the other channels, when you're signing your tax form, do not use your channel name on your Google AdSense and then use your regular name on your tax form, because that's what I did, and I've been going to the post office for like 4 months before I received my pin. So when you're signing your tax form, use your right name, and when you're signing your Google AdSense form, use your right name, right, and your correct address, because if you don't, then it will take much longer to process and take longer to reach up, alright? So make sure the Google, yeah, 1 minute, make sure your tax form and your Google AdSense form has the same name. Number 2, if you use both your channel name and your real name in your Google AdSense and your tax form without even realizing, when you're going to collect the pin, go to the post office and ask for both your channel name and your name. Okay guys, because I've been going to the post office and asking for my name, and my pin come in my channel name because of the same reason. I signed my Google form with my right name and my tax form with my channel name because I didn't have any idea, right? So make sure you do that. Make sure when you buy post office you ask for both your channel name and your name. Okay, all right. So if you ask for both names and you don't receive your pin, that means you haven't waited remember you have to wait 2 or 3 weeks before receiving your pin. So if you go to the post office in 2 or 3 weeks, you ask for both names and you haven't received your pin, go back to your Google account, request another pin, and they will send you another pin, and then you wait the next 3 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, and then you put that in your tax form. Okay guys? Okay, so basically that's what I wanted to give you advice about today. Okay guys, remember when you're signing your tax form, use the same name that you use in your Google AdSense after getting monetized. Okay guys, if you reach this far in the video, thanks for watching. Thanks for always watching. Be sure to hit the like button, leave more than 1 comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you guys, have a nice day, see you next time. Hope you guys having a blessed December. Bye guys.